Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Nano Banana inside NotebookLM, Google's AI-powered research and note-taking tool. This new integration makes organizing and connecting your ideas way easier. First, open NotebookLM on your device and make sure that Nano Banana is activated. You'll see the little banana icon in the toolbar when it's available. Next, create a new notebook or open one you're already working on. You can add your usual content, notes, text, images, or even material captured from Google Lens. Once your notes are in, tap the Nano Banana icon in the toolbar. This is where the magic starts. Nano Banana will scan through your notes, automatically categorize them by topic, and even connect related ideas. It can also suggest ways to organize your notebook, grouping similar research together or highlighting links between different subjects you might not have noticed. So basically, Nano Banana turns your notebook into a smart workspace that organizes itself, saving you tons of time and making your research feel almost alive. Try it out and you'll see how seamless it feels using Nano Banana in NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI tool walkthroughs.